What's up guys, welcome back with me Nike Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between the two pairs of Nike Kyrie for Halloween colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the marking area, just like the other colorways, you can see this one is a little bit off between the toe cap and the outsole. It should be connect like the authentic one. Another sample, as you can see, the Nike swoosh design. There is a little bit missing drip here. As you can see, it's on my pointer. There's a little bit missing drip, and also this one there is the four drips is a little bit go down on the fake one. Another sample, again you can see this one is a little bit off. This one is should be connect between the toe cap, the toe cap and the outsole. Moving to the inside part of the shoes. As you can see here, there is a lot more glue stain. It's looking so dirty. And this one, the toe cap here is slightly higher. It's a little bit to the left. It's wrong shape. And this one also, it should be like the authentic here. It's like between the toe cap and the outsole, it's forming like a V-shaped cut. Whereas on the fake one, it's slightly higher. It's a little bit to the left. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, there is a lot more white glue stain on the fake one on top of the midsole. As you can see here, it's pretty easy to spot. There is a white glue stain on the fake one. Then the authentic one is looking very clean. And this one also, there's a white glue stain. It's pretty easy because this one is black color. And moving to the outsole here, as you can see, the number 11 on the authentic one is placed right in the middle, whereas on the fake one it slightly go down. And this one is slightly come up on the fake one than the authentic one. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have a question, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.